This is a pivotal moment in Virginia's history. We are living longer. Longer lives demand smarter plans. Thanks to the Older Americans Act, area agencies on aging provide support navigating options to help us age well in our own communities. Older Virginians are rewriting the script. Aging is universal, a common thread that binds us all. Funding and supporting aging services is a critical investment in the longevity of our families and our entire community. Preventative services today save on costly health and safety crises later. Prevention services are a widely researched and successful way to age well. Area agencies on aging know that investing in preventative services now has a profound and positive impact on our community's health systems and families for generations to come. 1 in every 4 of us is taking care of an older family member, friend, or neighbor. That's roughly 63 million family caregivers in the U.S. 16 million of those caregivers are in the sandwich generation, balancing care for both adults and children at the same time. Area agencies on aging understand the catastrophic impact on our health system, long-term care system, and our communities if caregivers don't have appropriate support. So we provide education and other services to support family caregivers so that they may continue their caregiving journey. Area agencies on aging provide essential services that go beyond helping people age well. They prevent crises before they happen through proactive support, education, and early intervention. They reduce the need for costly crisis management, and they generate savings across health, safety, and community systems. According to U.S. Aging, surveys from the Administration for Community Living, ACL, show that every $1 in federal funding for the OAA leverages nearly an additional $3 in state, local, and private funding. The Older Americans Act creates a pathway to investing in Virginia's fastest-growing demographic. So investing in aging services is a no-brainer. It's investing in every generation. Here locally in the Fairfax area, you can find resources and supports to help you age well in your own community by going to fairfaxcounty.gov/olderadults. For those who would like to know how to find resources in another area, visit eldercare.acl.gov. For those who are interested in keeping up with how to support aging services, you can visit usaging.org. We're all aging. It's time to recognize it, embrace it, and support it.